to show you your back office, if you don't mind. So, Richard, would you be able to take over if that's okay with you?
I
Let's see
can't.
if
Thank you. Yeah, just unmuted. Thank you very much. First, I'm going to show a little short video about the Surebet. Oops. Whoops. Maybe I won't do the video. I'm going to go straight to the Surebet back office. Sorry about that. Okay. I'm going to log in. When I first log in, you're going to see like an overview. Screen sharing is paused. Let's start this again. Sorry, a bit of technical difficulty. We'll get there. I'm having some, here we go. Okay, so this is the back office. And I'm going to log out of that. I signed up somebody and I didn't log out. That's why I'm not able to log into mine. There we go. You log in with your email and a password. It's a really simple sign up process and a really simple login. This will take me to my back office. First thing that comes up is like an overview, the fresh new design, enhanced features, advanced security, and better performance. So we can get started. Then shows my growth balance. That's my daily reward from my investment. And this is my team balance here. I just had a big withdrawal of about 2,000 yesterday, so that's down to starting over again. A lot of overview aspects here. There's a really extensive menu down here. On Saturday morning at 10 a.m., we have a Super Saturday training where we go not only this one, but all of the ecosystem. We go through back office, deep dive how everything works. For now, I'm just going to show you an update on my network. I'm just about 3.5 weeks into it. And I already have, if you see here, 374 members in still less than a month. Total invested of 63,000. And if I go down further, you can see the breakdown of the different levels. 19, that's my personal, 75 on the second level, 87, 88, 54, etc. If I take off the last three levels, the 8, the 7, and the 6, it leaves 300, over 300 people that I'm getting the daily reward on their daily profit. So I'm getting 300 transactions per day deposited into my back office. It's pretty amazing. And if I look at the career plan real quick, and really, I have never had anything. I'm 43 years in network marketing. I've never had anything take off this so fast because it's so easy to talk about. It's just a daily reward, regardless of the outcome of the sports events. The sports industry, like you heard, is 1.8 trillion. It's approximately 35% of the entire world population involved in sports betting. All you have to do is Google sports bars in your local town. You'll see dozens of them. And that is the career progress. I've earned the first three levels, and the career bonus is the 300, the 800, and the 2,000. I'm rapidly marching, thanks to a couple of my great team leaders, Derek Brown and Preston Rodriguez. We're marching toward the next one, which is a 4,500. So that's my background. Back over to you, Rob.
Absolutely fantastic. And I see you're getting better and better with the technology as well, Richard. Very nice to see that it's very user-friendly. So let's get back to the basics, and we're trying to keep the focus on the DigiCoin, the big star in this show. So I would like to invite Preston to give you some more details about the catalyst of this project. And as you can see let me also say that the new back office has everything in it, so you don't have to switch between platforms. The crypto card, as well as Surebet, as well as Alugo, I think, are all represented in the new back office. So it's a one-shop deal. So Preston, would you be able to share your story?
Yeah, that's perfectly, guys. Okay, so Richard did a fantastic plan. Of course, I have seen him lead a similar model with the same CEO in January. In 2.5 months, he went triple diamond. That's like a huge 200,000 income level, right? So he's repeating it here again. Again, I am doing it totally part-time because I'm really busy. But I'm also cruising along. I've received my second bonus, which is $800, and cruising to the next 50,000 very quickly. So I'm sure there's a lot of others who are doing that, but they have not publicized it. So that's okay. But again, I'll recap it. Okay. What we have shared is the model for the Digi holding, where 1.0 to 2.3% a day. Average we see is 1.8, 1.9%. This is passive. You don't have to recruit a single person. For those people who are looking for cash flow, business owners, entrepreneurs, this is a fantastic model, right? And you don't have to refer anybody, but if you do community build, you have those extra bonuses, like we said, 225,000 carrier bonus, which actually Richard and many of us are tracking it. That's just an additional income. So let me go to the start of this, which is the digital token. And again, we have Crypto Beyond also, who's expert in the token, but I'll just give you a brief so that we can continue. Okay, the token, as we mentioned at the beginning, I'm just scrolling up. Okay, it's a utility token, and the website is right here. Here it is. So if you can see activity out there, somebody told me this morning, oh, the price has come down. I said, okay, let me know. I need to jump on and buy more. And guess what? He says to me, hey, how can I buy too? Right? So guess what? That's what triggers it, right? If you look at it, the green and the reds, the moment the price goes down, there's green. So people are just not letting it go. There's over 2,000, couple thousand users right now who's active on this token, which means this token is never going to see a price dip. If it does, it's going to go up again, which means it's consistently going to go up. And again, I was on some call, clicking some Google ad last week, and they were talking about, if you want to make money in the crypto space, don't buy Bitcoin, don't buy Solana, those too expensive. Invest couple dollars, 50, 20 bucks in some tokens which have got good utility value. And guess what? Immediately struck, wow, our token has got good utility value, and that's why you should buy it. Coming to the slide of the utility value, I'm going to talk about it. Okay, this token is basically going to be used as gas of the entire ecosystem, digital holding. Right now, yes, we have staking e-trading, which is going to reopen shortly. Payment of service fees, which is going to be integrated soon with crypto cards. This is amazing. This crypto card's already in action. If you look at it, we have the world #1 no KYC crypto card. Why do I say? Because you don't require driver's license or your ID. The reason being, the fintech company of the CEO has been with MasterCard and Visa for over 8 years, Mexico, Brazil, and they have a very large market share. So they have the privilege of using their own KYC for the MasterCard, for the Visa card. So you don't have to use it. Top ups 2,500, that's 75,000 a month and beyond, scalable. Real-time app. So they're going to have a separate website, digital card as well as physical card, and over 1 billion people in the world. Still, think about it. Binance has 200 million plus users, Metamask 30 million. Guess if you get a small percentage of those people using your card, I'm sure there's profit sharing linked to it as well. The website is going to be up in any time. So we will see. This is going to be a fantastic card. You can load your crypto and use it for shopping, or I'm sure ATM withdrawals. And it's a black metal card. So this is going to be a good, I would say, door opener for those people who are from the crypto space. And when you get those people, they are going to come on board and deposit a lot of money to these systems, right? So coming to DGC, again, it's a utility token. Utility token means they have usage and a lot of value. So if you look at the price today, it is basically $1 is 1,805 token. So I would recommend, tell your family, friends, everybody to purchase some of this token, because this token is recommended. A similar token is recommended by the experts in the market to become millionaires. You multiply this factor by 10 and see if that reaches $1 million or even $1, right? So you have your answers right now. With that said, I would actually pass it to the next person who can
Okay.
share his amazing results.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, thanks, Preston, for letting us know what that opportunity is. It's amazing. That's why I call it exponential income of where this is going with this coin, because on day one, when it first opened, April 1st, it went up to 53 cents, right? And we valued this as a gas fee token at $1, right? So we know where it's going for sure. And then the liquidity that's coming into the coin through the cards is absolutely amazing plan that Antonio's put together. So we're at 29 minutes past the hour here. We're gonna call on a couple of testimonials. I know Bjorn just sent me a message. His signal is, he's out on one of the islands there with his family in Thailand, so he's not able to come on and do a proper testimonial there for connection challenges. And so we'll go to Rita, if Rita's available, the frequency lady. Let's see if she's here. I don't see her. Okay, so let's go with Cosmic Cowboy is here. Cosmic Cowboy. Go ahead and
Yeehaw!
Rob's a new Cosmic Cowboy. Oh,
No,
okay,
no,
so-
no. I was just trying to encourage Bill to come on. Give him some time. So, Bill,
Oh,
are
there he
you
is. Oh, yeah,
available?
let me make him co-host. That's why I didn't see him. Okay. Brother Bill, out there in Rocky Mountain High, Colorado State.
There you go. Yeah, thanks for turning me on.
You left and you came back, so welcome back.
Yeah. Hey, the best thing I can say to anybody, if you want to enjoy what you do, find things that are easy, lucrative, and fun. And that's what this is about. It's easy, lucrative, and fun. And show up to meetings. You're going to learn ways to approach people. I love what I've learned already. You know, just the easy approach to people when you meet them, just says, easy to ask them, I'm curious. Would you be interested in making money while you sleep? And I just learned something about a wonderful program called Surebet. Would you mind if I send you a link? That simple. Back to you.
Awesome. Thanks, Bill. Thanks for that. Yeah, keep it simple, folks. Give it a kiss, right? Keep it simple and sweet. KISS.
There you go. KISS. Keep it simple, stupid.
Well, we don't want to call people stupid, but then we call them sweeties. Right?
Well, that's the way it is. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what KIS stands for. You know,
keep it short and sweet. But anyhow,
yeah, there you go.
Thanks, Bill. Thanks, Bill. Appreciate you sharing. For sure, it is fun to do this business because we're making money while we sleep, and on the passive side, and we're getting to change people's lives financially on the marketing side. For people that don't have money to invest, they can monetize their contacts. For people that just want to sit there and enjoy the 1.0 to 2.3 passive play on the Surebet, they have that available. And then also for the serious investors that are looking for the contractual guarantee, we have the motorcycles with the 5,000 or higher investments. The cards, got an awesome Visa card promotion that we're running. 1,000 or higher gets you a free Visa Business Platinum card with that no KYC. So that's pretty awesome. The top leaders, some of the other people around the world are going to be using that card this week, getting through that card, using it. And within, I think, what is it? By the end of the month, Preston, he's talking about 10,000 cards or more being dropped into the system.
Well, that's yeah, there's a lot of cards. Yeah. A lot of work to be done. Yes, absolutely. Yes.
A lot of work
I
to be
got a little
done.
statement here. G-Money, can I make a little statement?
Yeah, absolutely, Richard. Go ahead, brother.
Yeah, going on the ELF, easy, lucrative, and fun. Your decision making is really easy. Get back to the person who invited you. Remember, there's three kinds of people in the world: those that make things happen, those that watch what happened, and those that say, "What happened? I missed it. The coin went to $1. I didn't have any. Oh my goodness!" So get back to the person who invited you. Real easy to get started.
Absolutely, folks. And with that, we'll close out the call. We appreciate you being here. 33 minutes past the hour. Yeah, get back with the person that was kind enough to think you. Get the referral link and get started. That's the only way you're going to find out if this is for you or not. Again, we're not financial advisors. We're not telling you what to do. That's up for you to decide yourself. But we welcome you to jump on board, big or small. We welcome you all. So with that, we'll close it out. Rob, appreciate you. Preston, Bill Hayes with testimonial, Richard with the presentation on Surebet. You guys are awesome. Much love and appreciated. And we'll see you on the next Zoom, folks. Stay in touch with the Telegram, and we'll see you on the next Zoom. Bye for now. Ciao.
Thank you, guys.